What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a lead gen chatbot to your website using Voiceflow. Whenever a user visits your website and interacts with the chatbot, they'll be asked a few qualifying questions to see if they are a good fit. And then the chatbot will capture all of their contact information and automatically send it to your CRM. And from there you can follow up with the lead and close them. And now let's dive into how to set this all up. So right now I'll show you a quick demo how the chatbot works. So right here I'm in Voiceflow and I'm gonna test out the chatbot. So right now it should ask me the initial questions and I'm gonna say I'm interested in creating a AI chatbot. Now it should ask me some qualifying questions to see if I'm a good fit to work with this agency. And now it's asking me, could I tell more information about this chatbot? So I'm gonna say the name is Magic Bot and it will capture leads for people's websites and the budget is $1,000. And now if everything is correct, it should ask me for my contact information. And right here, it's now asking me for my name. So my name is Borat and my email will be borat@gmail.com. And now as you can see here, I didn't provide my email and it will now ask me for my email again. And right here is my email. And now if everything is successful, this will automatically be sent to my CRM. All right, so right now we can check out the ClosingDealz CRM. I'm gonna refresh the page. And now the lead should appear right here, and here it is. And as you can see here, we have the company name is gonna be the chatbot name. And here is the contact person, we have the email. And here at notes, we have, it says like lead generated from chatbot. So if you have multiple leads, you'll know like where does this lead come from. We have the description, we have the budget. And this is the cool stuff. So we have the full conversation the chatbot had with the prospect. And this is very cool. And now that's everything for this demo. So now to install the chatbot, visit the link in the description of this video and you'll head over to the Github repository. And if you do get stuck, I have made a completely separate video, very detailed on how to install this chatbot. So make sure to check that video if you do get stuck. But I've also have a document right here on how to install this chatbot, so make sure to check it out. So once you have downloaded the code for the chatbot, there's some few things we have to do first in order to work. So visit the .env file, so this is the environment variables, and you have to visit ClosingDealz.io and retrieve the API key. So this is the CRM, we're gonna store all of the leads. And we also have to go to OpenAI's website. You have to create an account and add credits and also get the API key and just paste it right here. And you can also play with these variables if you want, but I'm gonna keep them as it is. And now go to configurations.js. So right here we have the assistant instructions. So I've already made the prompt and you can keep it as it is or you can modify it if you want. And right here we have the create lead function. So this is the function that's actually gonna send the lead to ClosingDealz CRM. And as you can see here, we have a few properties. So these are the qualifying questions the chatbot will ask the prospect. And as you can see here, we have the project, we have the description, the budget, the name, email, and phone number. And obviously you can change these to fit your business, but I'm gonna keep everything as it is. And now the next step is you have to host the chatbot server. And I've made a completely separate video on how you can do that. So make sure you do that step first. And once you have done that, you'll have a server URL. And that's what we're gonna use in Voiceflow. And now if we click on create thread, and right here we can see the server URL. And what you have to do is paste the server URL right here. And if you have an API key for the server, make sure to paste this right here as well. And now I'll explain the logic for the Voiceflow chatbot. So right here we have the Voiceflow workflow, and I'm gonna quickly explain how everything works. So right here, when we start the chatbot, it will create a thread ID, and that thread ID will be stored in a variable. And that's basically like the ID of this conversation, and it will be used until we end the conversation. And now the next step is we can have here some custom messages to like ask the user whenever he starts the chatbot. So here I added like, hi, I'm CDC Solutions Assistant. How can I assist you today? So you can customize this to like fit your own business. And right here at the bottom, it captures the user input and that sends it to the server to be processed. And as you can see here, now it goes to the generate response. And then it will make a post request to the server. And it will now return the response the AI made. And right here we have the assistant's response. And basically how this works, it will be in a loop until we end the conversation, or if something bad happens, there will be like an error and it will say that to the user. And that's pretty much how everything works here. So to test the chatbot, you can click on run. And once you're happy with everything, we can publish this chatbot to your website. And all you have to do is click on publish. And I'm just gonna click on publish, and it might take a while. And now all you have to do is click on customize widget. And right here we have the preview of the chatbot. So right here down below, we can basically play around with all of these settings. So here you can change the name, the description, bunch of more settings. You can change the appearance. So here you can change the color to fit your business theme. You can upload an image and a bunch of more stuff. And once you're happy, now we can copy this little code to your website and it will appear right in your website. So all you have to do is click on copy, and it doesn't matter if you have WordPress or you have coded your own website. All you have to do is find the index file and copy this little script section and paste it within the body tag. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you had any problems, make sure to comment down below, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.